everyone, and welcome to my video on the unboxing of the new Coach Rogue Tote. It is the Shearling version, and I'm so excited that you're going to be unboxing this with me, and let's just go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so like I said, I'm so glad that you're going to be with me here as I'm unboxing this tote. I am so excited about it. When I saw it in the store, I was like, I gotta do a video on it. So here we go. This is the box that it came in. It took about maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 days to get here. So here it is. It's a huge box. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to begin to cut this open and we're going to talk about it. So first of all, Coach has been doing its thing. Because when I first saw this, I was like, I need to have a fur Coach. Like, why don't I have a fur tote in the first place? So I saw it. There was a smaller version that I saw it. And I think it was the one that J-Lo created, which had the chain, the gold chain attached to it. And I was like, I'm just going to need something bigger. Like, I carry totes. Like, I do love the Rogue. I'm starting to get more into like the Rogue 25 and things like that. But I was like, I'm gonna need something bigger. So I saw this. When it goes to price points, it's expensive. So I feel like I say that in all my videos. It's expensive. So this is retailing for $9.95. Yeah, you heard that. $9.95. Expensive. So that's why I had to review it for you so that you wouldn't go and buy it yourself and just be like, what did I do? So this is $9.95, and it is the Brass Chestnut Dark Teak is what it is officially called when it comes to the colors. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Yeah. I just need to take a second because I'm thirsty, but I want to show you this cute tumbler that I got from Starbucks' Christmas edition that I've been obsessed with. Isn't this beautiful? It looks even better in the sun. Stay hydrated. Okay, so here we go. This is what we're looking like right now. Like propping this up. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm so excited. All right, here's what we're going for. Honestly, I expected a big Coach box. Maybe that's petty of me, but that's what I'm used to when I expected. So, okay. Okay. We'll see. What is this in the bottom? Yeah, that's weird to not have it come in a big Coach box. I don't know how I feel about that. Anyways, comes in a Coach bag. So it is huge. Like, I don't know if you could see, like, I'm gonna fall, but it's huge. It's huge. This is my head. It's bigger than my head. So, gonna go ahead and open this. Snapping, snapping, snapping. Let me sniff it. You gotta sniff the bag. I don't know what it smells like right now. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so we're opening it. I just got it. Ugh, this is great. Ugh. It looks like a giant pillow, but it's not. It's a purse. So, this is just, it's beautiful. I just don't know. Like when I turn on and I look at it and then look at it on camera, I'm just like, ooh. Okay, so, I'm gonna have to take all these things off, which I didn't want to, but here I am. So I'm slowly removing these for you guys. This is the interior zipper. I think these are just pulling. They're just pulling off. Pulling off. This is just, you know, taped on here. So snappy, snap, snap. And of course I tried this on in the store and everything, and this is how I knew that I had to, like I said, review it for you guys. This is kind of difficult. I'm gonna leave the tag right there. Ugh. Okay. And I'm gonna take out the stuffing. And this is the interior, and I'm gonna unzip it. Unzip, unzip, unzip. If I can unzip. Okay, unzipping it. And inside of it comes the bag handle and a ton of stuffing. So I'm gonna, and the bag is inside of here to keep it nice. There's a lot of paper in this. I want you to see the inside. So let me, oh, it smells so good in there. Oh God, it's like a little cave of smelling good. Okay, so I'm pulling this out for all of you guys. And more paper. Oh, you're like, what is going on? I'm trying to. Okay. Okay. Whew. Okay. All right, good. So here we are. This is where are the other straps? Oh, you know what? I didn't even connect it. Let's see. I'm gonna take these hoops off. Okay. So I still got some paper on it, but this is what we're working with. So let me zoom out here. Oh, I don't even know how I can zoom out. You know what? Because there's a chair right here. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. I'm gonna stand up next to it. This is what the bag looks like next to me. I'm backing up for you. There's so many papers and boxes here, but this is what we're looking at. Like I said, for reference, I'm about 5'6". So this is where it sits on me. I'm gonna come closer to you and then go back from you. Just like this. This is me holding it, this is me swinging it. It's adorable. It gets way bigger than that. Like if I had all that stuff, then it'd be like stuffed like this. But this is what we're working with. I instantly feel fabulous. I instantly feel like I'm $1 million with this bag. So, and I want to show it to you with the side straps. Let me go ahead. These are the side straps. Well, not side straps, but yeah, like the two handles. If you know with Rogue 25s, normally they have those two handles that fold inside of the purse. I love those. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach it to these inside hooks. So let's just give you a look of what the inside of the purse. So this is the inside of the purse right here. This is the inside. Ignore that paper. Or ignore it. This is what the inside is looking like. As you can see, this right here, let me get you to aim downwards. This right here is your normal pocket, and it snaps just like that. So I will take this out so you can see. Snapping pocket. This is the regular Coach emblem. Like I said, it smells amazing in there. This is what you're looking at. There's nothing else on the other side. And so it has these little hooks right here. These hooks, they're on the other side as well. That is how we hook. So you can wear this like a crossbody if you like. I don't know if I feel the crossbody vibe from this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on for you so you can see. I think it looks better with just the side things. So reason why I like Rogue 25s are because of these handles like this. So first of all, when you have these handles out, on most Rogues, when I think on all Rogues, they fold inwards. And they fold inwards flats. Because you know, like if you have like a Neverfull or something like that, like they always hang out. But these fold nicely inside. And then you can wear the bag like this, right? This is actually like a really cute vacation bag. Like I'm going to the cabin with my friends this weekend, and this would be a perfect cabin bag, honestly. Yeah, this can fit a lot of stuff. It's just a statement piece. Like if you don't have a statement bag, let me come down to this level. This is a great statement bag. Like I feel like from years to now, this will still be cute. And I think that's what's really important when it comes to bags, and me and myself when I get bags. I like bags that, you know, are not necessarily, you know, what's the word that I'm looking for? Temporary in a sense. I like bags that are statement pieces that will be lasting for long. You know, like fast fashion. I don't like fast bags in general. So I feel like this is not that. Like I said, here it is. Let me actually zip it for you guys. Let's see. I'm just going to zip this right here. That is the only thing. Even though this goes in flat, I'm going to remove these handles for you. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and zip this. It zips like that. Also, here's the Coach emblem right here. On here, just like that. And it will fold over. It's kind of weird. Folds over like that. And then I close it. And this is the one way, like I said, that you can wear it. I like it being worn this way. It's not too heavy. This is a great size bag. And then if I don't feel like doing that, then I'm gonna go ahead, you know, I think what you'd have to do, I'd have to unhook these and put these back inside of the bag is what I would have to do. So let me zip it. There's only one zipper. It's a gold zipper. There's only one. It's not two. I think I would have liked it if it was two. I folded the straps inside of here. Sorry if this video is all over the place. I'm trying to actually just show you. So yeah, so we're going to get down into it and just give you some really good close-ups. So this is the bag, close-up. This is the bag, like I said. This is my head. This is the bag. This is the bag. This is the bottom of the bag. like this. It does, it's not moving directions when I do this, you know, like some fur does that. It's not, you can see it's the C's embossed in here. I don't remember this being so vibrant of like this kind of cross emblem right here, but it's okay. Like I said, there's the inside. I feel like I've given you a great thing, so let's just talk about it. Do I think that this is worth the price that it is? No and yes. No and yes. So I think, like I said, this is a very staple piece bag. I don't know if they're gonna make too many other like really all fur totes like this. I feel, so because when you, here's the thing. So Rogue 25s are normally smaller, and those are normally in the 600 range, 595, 600 range for a Rogue 25, which is going to be like way smaller than this. So when you start to get to the Rogue, like 30, 31s, or maybe I think it's 36. I don't think they do the 31s anymore. Maybe it's 36. I can't remember. Then you start getting into like the $1,000 range, which is what this is in. So I'm not surprised at its pricing. Because I would want to say that this should be like a $500, $600 bag. But because of the other Rogues being priced already at that, like off rip, the smaller versions, the Rogues 25s, which I'll do another video on a Rogue 25, it can't be 600. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it should be, but I understand why it can't because what other sizes are priced at. So I don't know. It really depends. It depends on you. It depends on, you know, if you, it's not that soft of fur. I will tell you that right now. It's not like, you know, you laying on a lamb or right here. It's decent. It's not scratchy, you know, rich and scratchy, or what is that show? Itchy and Scratchy. So yeah, this is not the Itchy and Scratchy show over here, but it's also not like soft like a teddy bear. But it is such a statement that if it was like, this is a Christmas present, which it is, or a gift or a birthday present, then I get it. Yeah. It's like, do you need it? I don't know. I really don't. But I think it's a great investment when it comes down to it. If you ever, and sometimes I resell purses. If you resell purses, I would definitely think that you would get your value back for this. Definitely think this is one of a kind. Because, you know, when you think about it, people buy like the Louis totes and all those other kind of things. Those are priced higher than this, and it's less material. It's just a random canvas material, and then everybody has it, right? And I'm not coming for Neverfulls because I have Neverfull and I love it. Love my Neverfull. But this is it's just unique. It's just unique. There's Coach written all over it. I didn't even tell you. You look here, I don't know if you could see it. It's Coach written in here. You know, it's all embossed literally everywhere on the zipper, on the chain. And I think it's so versatile. And if you don't get this one, still look into Rogue 25s because they make them so nicely. Like, oh, I love the ones with the whip stitch on it. But the fact that you have different ways to wear it, so you can wear it like this, or you can wear it with these two, or what you could honestly do is connect these two and make it a whole crossbody. So you would just, I'll show you because we're here, so I might as well. You know, I would unhook it here. Then I would just hook these two together, and now it is a crossbody. I'll show it to you as a crossbody. As a crossbody. Once again, I'm kind of short, I'm trying, so this is what it would look like as a crossbody. Sorry if I have a busy background. I don't like it as a crossbody as much. So I'd say if it's a special occasion, go ahead and get it. Trying to think anything else with it. Okay, so one other thing that I will say about this bag is that I don't think this bag is an everyday bag. I think that this bag is like I said, I was going on a trip with my friends, or I am going on a trip with my friends. I think this would be great if I'm going on a trip because it carries so much. Maybe I'd take it through the airport, you know, of course not check it or anything like that. But maybe put a little bit of clothes in it. Maybe I'm going to my friend's house or something like that. But this wouldn't just be like every day I'm going out shopping or something like that. No, this is like a cute trip bag. Going to work is a good thing because you have a lot of stuff for going to work and everything like that. But if it's just like, okay, I'm about to go out with my girls tonight, maybe if it's a dinner, but not for a club. So if it's like we're going to a cute dinner, I got on my fur, I got on my like black leather jacket, then yeah, good. I'll throw some stuff up in here, you know, but I'm not going to the club in this. I'm not, you know, doing any of that kind of stuff like, oh, you know what? I'm going to go to my boyfriend's house this weekend. It's Thanksgiving. It's his family, yada, yada, yada. Okay, cool. Bring this tote. That's what I get from this because it is so big and it holds so much inside of it. It's not your everyday bag. And that's what I would say with this. So yeah, but if you have any questions, let me know. I can do a like what's in my bag if you want to, just right below, and I'd love to do that. So check out some of my other videos. I have a lot that are coming up and I'm so excited and glad that you guys took a look. So thanks again.